Changing the screen resolution on Windows 11 is a straightforward process. First, click on the Start icon located at the bottom middle of the screen. From there, navigate to Settings. Once inside Settings, select System to access the system-related options. Next, click on Display to manage display settings. Scroll down until you see Screen Resolution. In this section, click on the drop-down menu and choose any desired screen resolution. After selecting a new resolution, a prompt will ask you to confirm the changes. If you are satisfied with the new display resolution, click on Keep the changes to apply it. In some cases, you may encounter limitations that prevent you from changing the resolution. This could be due to constraints imposed by your graphics card. To potentially resolve this issue, you can try updating your graphics driver. To do this, search for Device Manager from the Start menu. Open it and locate the Display Drivers or Adapters section. Here you can proceed to update your graphics driver. Following this step, you may find that you can now change the screen resolution as desired. Remember, updating the graphics driver may help resolve the issue, but it's not guaranteed to work in all cases. Once you have successfully adjusted the screen resolution, please consider supporting our content by liking, subscribing, and sharing. Thank you.